Hey everyone, welcome to RGB Web Tech, where we simplify tech for you. In this video, we will talk about types of machine learning. Machine learning can be categorized into several key types based on how a model learns from data. The three main types are supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning, with additional subcategories used in advanced applications. Here's a clear breakdown. 1. Supervised learning. Supervised learning uses labeled data, meaning each input comes with a correct output. The model learns to map inputs to outputs and generalizes this knowledge to new data. Common uses: A. Email spam detection. B. Predicting house prices. C. Image classification. Types of supervised tasks: A. Classification, predicting categories, e.g. dog versus cat. B. Regression, predicting continuous values, e.g. temperature, prices. 2. Unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning uses unlabeled data. The model explores the structure of the data to find patterns or relationships on its own. Common uses: A. Customer segmentation. B. Anomaly detection. C. Market basket analysis. Main techniques: A. Clustering, grouping similar items. B. Dimensionality reduction, simplifying complex data. 3. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning teaches an agent to make decisions through trial and error. The agent interacts with an environment, receives rewards or penalties, and learns an optimal strategy over time. Common uses: A. Robotics. B. Game-playing AI, e.g. chess, Go. C. Self-driving cars. 4. Semi-supervised learning. A mix of supervised and unsupervised learning, using a small amount of labeled data and a large amount of unlabeled data. Use cases: A. Fraud detection. B. Speech recognition. 5. Deep learning. A subset of ML that uses neural networks with many layers to learn complex patterns. Use cases: A. Image and voice recognition. B. Natural language processing. C. Autonomous systems. In summary, the main types of ML, supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, form the foundation of modern AI systems, with advanced techniques expanding their capabilities even further. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, leave a comment with your question, and do not forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, and take care.